Hey guys, come and see us open up a really neat looking beehive. Richard? Richard? Okay, come follow me. Come on. There. He just wants to follow you. See?
After I'm picking it.
Hi, Richard.
Yeah, we're inside the netting.
Hi. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, so we got past the turkey and we are finally at this really cool beehive. Check it out. Preparing to get the smoker ready to smoke the bees.
Takes a lot of effort.
See that, huh? Turn that around.
Yes.
Oh my.
So they created the comb, so there's nothing in the comb in terms of food or anything like that. A little bit of honey.
So you might have noticed that this hive looks a little bit different. And if you noticed that, then you would be correct. Apparently, this type of hive has to be leveled exactly because the neat thing is that the bees will actually make their comb based on gravity. That's so neat. Except you can see that this hive is slightly off, so the comb is off as well. It's not in that straight pattern that you would usually see the comb coming out. Look at those bees swarming. A little bit more smoke to keep them calm. This was a very docile hive. As you can see, Dean is getting right up to the bees as well.
In that big pile there, you see that extra orange color? Is that there? To make sure there is brood, yeah. So there's a difference between drones, which are male. Yep.
After checking out the hive, it's time to put the top back on and say goodbye to these bees. Like, bye-bye.
And we found even the first year, we didn't get any more from them because it's just,
Just an hour or two before we arrived at the Tangled Flock Farm, this little baby lamb was born. That's awesome. She still has the umbilical cord attached. Oh, wow, that's amazing. I love it. Oh, look at the little tail. Just a brand new baby. Aww.
It's okay, Mommy.
Oh. Hi, what a good mama.
She's like, don't love
Oh, what a good mama. And when we arrived on the farm, so did this beauty. This is a rescue pony, and she is absolutely beautiful. She's 15 years old. And here's all the other animals just welcoming her as well. What a pretty pony. We had a really great experience and nice time at Tangled Flock Farm today, and we just appreciate all they do. Everybody's wondering, who's this new one on the farm? Please. Oh my gosh. That's Galloway, Genevieve. Galloway. Heidi's baby. Yeah. done.
Snack size ones, I never get those because it's like I want more and more.
Thanks for coming on our adventure.